Thank you for allowing me to speak with you. I've been the program director at Texas Tech since 2007, but I've been on faculty there since 1998. I was fortunate to have been trained by Gabor Ratz and Prithvi Raj back in 97 and 98, and I continued my career there. I've probably trained a little over right now 100 fellows and 400 residents who are in our residency. I've had the opportunity to travel across the globe looking at how other physicians gain their training. And what I think sometimes we're so well organized in the United States when it comes to fellowships, because we have a little over 100 ACGME accredited fellowships, and there's about 400 fellows. And the rest of the globe, physicians have to travel to other countries to get their training because they don't have that training available in their countries. And they do